Hi guys, good morning everyone. Nagbuntag sa tanan. Today it's a Friday and we are here at One Cecilia Guillermo Hotel located Pagadian City, Philippines. So we are here because we're going to attend to a one-day stay out orientation of the district IPBT mentor coaches for the year 2 implementation. So kaning ang IPBT is the induction program for beginning teachers program in the Department of Education, and its sole purpose is really to assist to give technical assistance to our newly hired teachers in the Department of Education. So later on, kani siya nga venue guys, mapuno ni siya nga venue sa ato mga participants, no? This is for the school division of Zamboanga del Sur. So we will expect later on lots of attendees to attend this one-day orientation for the induction program for beginning teachers. So first, kita pag-ipin na first honor ta. Nakaan dire. Tayo ng area ready na kayo para sa atong engagements for the day. So, despite sa kabisi, we're still able to be here and to prioritize this kind of activity. So, nindot na siya nga program, unlike as before, katong mga newly hired teacher pa mi, galisod jud kayo mi ini mga programa. Ano man, kung newly hired ko wala kay kana di idea on what to do, especially on the programs in the DepEd. So, directly saying, mura nga pa rata ng panahon na. But right now, it's so easy now, right? Our newly hired teachers will now be given the opportunity to be immersed by the different programs in the Department of Education, and of course, elucidating to them what are their ministerial functions, specific functions as newly hired teachers. Aron, they can effectively deliver, the goods to the client. These are what are these, no? Okay, offering, delivering quality education to our kids. So dako kani siya kayuhan sa ato mga newly hired teachers there is a division of Zamboanga. So I do not know if this program is also done. I know it's done nationwide, but in terms of its schemes and strategy, its methods, we do not know. No? So mag-differ magina sila sa lain-lain nga method. Okay, so magpaabot ta sa ato mga kauban dire later. Ato mga organizers magpakaabot, pero maning nga area mapuno na gino siya later sa ato ang event, no? So this is just only a one-day stay out orientation, a district implementation program for the beginning teachers. So first honor, wa pa kaabot ang uban, but yes, at least makarelax na ta dahil libre ang ilahang pamahaw. Okay, so see you later on. Watch out, and we will show to you what will transpire in today's induction orientation for induction for beginning teachers program. Thank you.